2 more questions for you.
I'm ready.
I know this, obviously we've talked about a lot of different things, so costs are gonna vary, but I'm a 4th year dental student or a 3rd year going into my 4th year, young dentist. What's average ballpark cost? What should I expect to be investing?
So this is a hot topic, right? Because prices are very important for students, residents, new practitioners. You know, you've got to worry about savings, getting through the next day, and I totally get that. So we get this question a lot, and the answer is it depends. It depends upon your age, depends upon your health. Just to be blunt, disability insurance is likely going to be the most difficult type of insurance they ever try to obtain in their entire lives. And the reason being is once the insurance companies, these high quality insurance companies that are non-cancelable and lock in the benefits forever, once they're on the hook, they could literally be on the hook for 10 million plus like that. And all it takes is one car wreck or one skiing accident and they're on the hook. So it depends upon the health, the age, and also how much benefit they're wanting and what type of contract they're getting. So some of our contracts, like the most comprehensive, most robust, will be a little bit more in premium. Average cost, I would say, which I think this is what this is boiling down to, is probably somewhere between $100 to $200 per month, which will depend upon if you're male or female and what type of benefits and riders you have on there. But you can get a very high quality contract for somewhere around $100 to $200 per month as a student, fully loaded with future increase options. And that way, when you get out and start making the big bucks, you can fully load it up and not worry about the premiums as much then. Although the premiums will be higher, proportionally, it will probably feel smaller when you're making bigger checks.
True story. So one last question. I think it's probably one we've hit in a lot of different ways, but an important one to emphasize. When is the best time to invest in an amazing policy that's going to keep you safe for the duration of your career?
Excellent question. The standard answer is as soon as you can get it. Really, if you could have gotten this yesterday, that would have been the right time. Now, there are some standards that have to be followed, so you really can't even start working on getting this until you're about to enter your 4th year. So 3rd year, completing into the 4th year, could start looking into it. 4th years for sure. But I would highly, highly encourage everyone, at least in their 4th year, to really start seriously looking into this and see what their options are, because this is one of those things to where if you don't have it and something happens, there's no going back. You have to have it before you need it.
Brandon, thank you so much for spending your time with us today. I learned a lot. I hope you learned a lot. Please remember, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. What seems very unreal to you right now can get very real. It did for my friend Mike. I don't want to see you be that dentist who isn't prepared for their future. You have a family to think about. You have all the hard work you're putting in right now to think about. Protect your assets, do the right thing, make some smart decisions right now, and sleep well at night when your head hits the pillow. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome. Thank you.